Sometimes we forget to take care of ourselves, and that's how I'll be showing you an everything shower that you can do on your off day and bubble bath. So the first thing, you need to set the mood by lighting a candle. There's a scented candle from Bath & Body. It's in the scent of sweet orange, and I do love their candles. So you can just have any candle, just make sure your room smells so nice. I did put on my cozy slippers. I got these ones from Temu, and I'll be plugging you guys on everything that I'll be showing here. And also make sure you follow me on TikTok. I post a lot of videos on skincare, and if you love self-care, you're a self-care girly, please welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here. So my collection involves Tree Heart, Dove, I have EOS and Bath & Body, but I kind of like mix everything. I do like having a variety of products, and if I like them, I just stick to them. So for the exfoliation, I go with this Dove, and this is Dove body scrub, dragon fruit and coconut. I love it so much because it kind of sticks to my skin, and I do this before I shave. So yes, just exfoliate, then go on with my gloves, scrub the whole body, and then afterwards I do shave using this big razor. I do like that it's sharp and just like to avoid ingrown hairs. So for the face mask, I go in with this Vanilla Clinic Zero Pore Clarifying Charcoal Capsule Clay Mask. So I have to leave it for some time, and it's good. Removes excess sebum and also improves the skin tone and texture, and it's good for oily and combination skin. So this one consists of charcoal powder, BHA, and so I leave the mask on for some time, and I go on with the shower. So I start with the bath soap. This one is from Bath & Body. I scrub myself like so well. I take a lot of time in the shower, and I do love it. So you can just have like music or anything that you love. And I use 3 products in this step. I start with the bath soap, and then I go on with the body wash, and also a second body wash. So I'll have to do these steps 3 times. So make sure you remove all the products from your face. You don't want to have any excess products on your skin. And for the next one, I go in with Arencia. I've been using this product for a long time. This is my everyday cleanser. This Arencia Fresh Green Rice Mochi Cleanser, and it is so hydrating and deep for hydrating and deep cleansing. So you just massage on the face, and then you rinse with warm water. I do love Korean products. Honestly, everything I use for my face, I do feel like it's from Korea. So, and then I rinse my face with warm water, and then once I'm done, I continue with my body wash. So today I'm using Tree Heart Foaming Gel Wash, and this is contains notes of sandalwood and plus violet, and has hydrating oil complex, turmeric and ashwagandha. I hope I'm pronouncing that well. So turmeric is good for brightening, so I do love brightening products. So I continue with the third body wash, and this is Bath & Body Covered in Roses. This one smells so good, and even the body mist when you go there. And nothing is sponsored, guys, nothing is sponsored in this video. I'm just like saying my truth. If you go to Bath & Body, make sure you grab like Covered in Roses, and they smell so good. So after I'm done, I brush my teeth and start my bubble bath. So I got this pillow from Amazon. I'll be linking all the products in the description. And then I just also got This one also from Amazon. This is it a table or what? Yes, I got that and it's good. I do go on with my tablet because you need something to watch. I don't want to drop my phone in the water. So, and then the next one is Dr. Teal's. So I also got this one from Amazon. So this is Dr. Teal's foaming bath with pure Epsom salt, and this contains lavender essential oils. And then the next product is so these are bath pals, renewing bath pals for radiant skin, and they're infused with vitamin E, collagen, and pal powder. I also got this one from Amazon. I do light my candle. This is strawberry cake scented candle from Bath and Body. Just make sure it's smelling nice there. For my snacks today, I'll be eating these organic strawberries. Actually, this was so good. I wished I had more, but it's okay. So, and then I go on with my wine. So I don't like sweet, extremely sweet wine. So I went down with this white wine, and so I just sat there, watched Netflix. It's almost like at this point, it's almost like a chill and Netflix vibe. And actually, I had to add like more soap. So to get like more foam, just put in the foaming bath soap before you run the water to get everything, to get all the benefits. So I had to add like more soap, and then I had to just stay there and enjoy the moment. And yeah, it's so good, like especially if you live alone. These are the kind of things that you should be doing. You don't have anyone who is like distracting you. You just sit there and just have your own time. And when I tell you, like it's so relaxing. And just make sure you do this, especially on your off days. I was watching Bridgerton. I don't know where you guys are. Like, I'm still watching because I work a lot and they usually have like one off day. So so far so good. So, and then these are the pajamas that I'll be wearing for tonight. And I do love their body butter, and they smell so good. So I went in with their salt water vanilla multi-lipid body butter, and their deodorant, and also their body oil. So their deodorant actually is formulated with multi-acid to combat odor, brighten the look of discoloration, and smooth and reduce the look of ingrowns. And and then for my body mist, there's Bath and Body covered in roses, and it smells so good. Like actually I got a compliment yesterday at the store after spraying that body mist. And for the lip mask, when I'm sleeping, I use the Laneige lip mask. Yes, and I usually use that when I'm sleeping to make sure like my lips are not cracking. And as you can see, like a small amount of this healthier body product, they are usually like kind of expensive, but it's worth it. It's just like a small amount and it'll have your body glowing, girl. So make sure you grab it. Don't mind so much about the money. So for the body butter, it's also good. Just go in with a very small amount after the body oil. I layer that with the body butter, and then I finish with the body mist, and you'll be smelling so good that night. I don't use perfumes at night, so I usually use body mist, and I use perfumes during the day. Yeah, so let's do our face care. So this is Dr. Night 10 toner and jelly toner. I've been using it for some time, and so good if you have like large pores. And then for my cream, I'll be using VT Cosmetics PDRN capsule cream. So this one I just scooped like 2 capsules, and this one is so good actually. So I use VT Cosmetics products, and as I told you guys, I use a lot of Korean products. So this is my go-to cream, but I use a lot of products. So as I was saying, please make sure you follow me on TikTok. I post a lot of skincare videos, and yeah. So you can see I'm glowing and ready to spend the night. So for the lip gloss, I'm using this CoverGirl. Because it's at night, I just wanted something simple. They do have a lot of lip glosses, colored lip glosses. Yeah, and let me show you what I was doing. I was hoping this video will go out before Valentine, but I'll just show you when I'm talking about self-love. Also involves, just showing love to your friends and to your family. So this is what I prepared for my besties for Valentine. So I got this package from Bath & Body, and then for the basket I got it from Target. For this teddy bear I got it from Dollar General. Actually they had very good deals for Valentine. So then I packed number 9. I purchased this chocolate, looks so cute. And then number 1 toner, and number 1 toner. And then this the body lotion from Bath & Body. So that is from one of my friend, and then for my other bestie. And those are for the roses. The roses were like so cheap. Those were like chocolate roses, and I thought they looked so beautiful. So for the next boat, I'll be packing Valentine basket for my other friend. I got all these from these ones I got them from Dollar General, and I was just trying to prepare a simple basket just to show my love for them, because they have been there for me and they support me, and I do love being there for them all the time. So the first thing is to decorate the basket. Make sure you show me some support, guys, and I'll be posting a lot of videos. Thank you so much for watching. Here unboxing as a micro creator and how I got them. So the first box is from Zero. So this foaming cleanser, soothing cream, intensive cream. Thank you so much, Zero. So they reached out to me via my email. So the next part is from CoverGirl. I reached out to them via on Bento, and they sent me, this is my first PR from CoverGirl. Wow, so many goodies. Thank you so much, CoverGirl. They sent over their lip glosses and lip stains. So the next product is from theirs. I'm part of the ambassador program. So they gave me a sample of their pore refining pads. So thank you so much, Deyas. The next products are from Style Korean. I'm part of the ambassador program. They sent Haru Wonder Serum Mist, Centellian Expert Medica Cream, this Deep Collagen Intensive and Pure. So thank you so much, Style Korean, for these amazing products. It's from PK. I applied through the PK app. Vita C Dark Spot Care Eye Patch, and they have Dark Spot Care Cream, Spot Care Serum. Thank you so much, PK. Next product is from RBFY. So this is their daily ampule pads. So they reached out to me via my email, ampule pads. And then they also have the pouch with the ampule pads. So thank you so much. This package is from Moida. If you want a free goodie bag, make sure you follow them for more updates. They are coming to the US, specifically the Orange outlet. So make sure you follow them for a chance to receive these free products. So they reached out to me via my email, and let me show you what's inside Moida goodie bags. So they sent Biodance gel toner pads. They also sent dark spot correcting glow serum, matte top mascara from Hamish, Burrito Pandeno cream, bamboo Pandeno cream, Tokobo sunscreen. Thank you so much, Moida. Don't